Hello everyone, myself Abdul Azim, and today we are going to see how can we integrate C++ into Swift or in our iOS app. So here I created an app simple for addition, subtraction and multiplication division operation for this example. So we are going to perform all these operation, addition, subtraction and all in our C++ code. So let's get started. Create a file, new file, actually C++ file. Name it cpp code. Create file. Okay, create a bridging header. Bridging header is for it will create a bridge between the Swift code and Objective-C code or any other code that you want to integrate with Swift. So C++ file has been created along with header file. So we are going to create a class in C++ header file. Let's say class and cpp class. Declare methods here that we are going to implement. uh, First one is addition. Number two numbers will be the argument. Let's say num1 and num2. Fine. Similarly create for other operations. This is subtraction. One for multiplication. Okay, and another one for division. Fine. Okay, now we are going to implement these methods in our cpp file, C++ file. So simply include you know this from C++, right? Okay, implement methods here. uh, this will be addition. We are simply returning sum of these two numbers, num1 plus num2. Fine. Similarly for subtraction, okay, similarly for multiplication, and one for division. Fine, so we are done here with our C++ code, but we cannot simply call these methods in our view controller because C++ code is not supported by Swift and Objective-C directly. We have to write an Objective-C++ wrapper around the C++ code. So create file for Objective-C++ wrapper, create Objective-C file, name it cpp wrapper, create also create a header file, name it cpp wrapper. Okay, and .m is the implementation file and .h is the header file or interface file, but cpp wrapper.m is implementation file for Objective C, but we are going to write Objective C++, so the extension for Objective C++ would be .mm. Okay, fine. Now create interface. Okay, interface class will be cpp wrapper ns object, and here we will declare our methods: addition, augment, this is Objective C actually, okay, declare for multiplication and division also, this is subtraction, this is multiplication, and this one is division. Okay, now we are going to complete our implementation file. So import our headers here. One will be cpp wrapper.h, another one will be cpp header, because we are going to create an instance of cpp class, so cpp class cpp object. Okay, now write implementation class cpp wrapper, and here implement methods. Return cpp method from here, dot addition, it is num1 and num2. Fine. Similarly, return for all operations. This one is for subtraction and subtraction. This one's for multiplication. And this one for division. Okay, fine. We are done here. Now import this header, the wrapper header, into bridging header, and we are done. Now we just have to call these methods from wrapper class into our view controller. So call for addition, that is cpp wrapper dot addition, pass the arguments. This is our first argument and this is our second argument. We are taking values from slider. Similarly, call for subtraction. It is throwing error. Unresolved identifier cpp wrapper. Okay, cpp wrapper. Oh, all are good. Then what is the problem? Okay, interface. We have wrote implementation, cpp wrapper. Then what's the problem? Okay, let me check. Okay, run this one time. Okay, there is no error. Okay, complete it. Multiplication. We are just calling our methods, nothing else. Division. Okay, we are completed. Now just run the app and see if it works. Okay, change the values, add, yes, working fine. Subtract, yes, working good. Multiplication also working, division also working good. Yes, fine, fine, fine and fine. Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you.